Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here today to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 41 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is income by title and gender, and this question got asked in city of San Francisco. So let's see what is the question. So the question is find the average total compensation based on employees' titles and gender. Total compensation is calculated by adding both the salary and bonus of each employee. However, not every employee receives a bonus, so disregard employees with bonuses in your calculation. Employee can receive more than one bonus. Output the employee title, gender, along with the average total compensation. Okay. So we have two tables given here. Let's quickly see them so that we can understand the question better. So in this employee table, we have employees detail like ID, salary, employee title, and so on. Okay. And then we have another table that is employees bonus. Okay. So we have employee ID here and the bonus the employee has received. So what we have to do, we have to find out based on employee title for the same title and same type of gender, what is the average total compensation? Okay. And compensation is the addition of both salary and the bonus. And we have to only consider those employees who has received bonus. We do not have to consider employees who have not received bonus. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to take only those employees whose ID is present in this bonus table. Okay. And then we are going to join it with the employees table. And then we are going to calculate the average total compensation based on title and gender. But before doing that, we have to find out what is the total value of bonus each employee has received, as it is mentioned in the question that employee can receive more than one bonus. Okay, so what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to join these two tables. So let me write this, that we are going to join this. Let's name this as E. Join this table. Let's name this as B on E.id is equal to B dot worker reference ID. From here, we are going to select E dot, let's select E dot ID, E dot employee title, E dot gender, and B dot E dot salary as well, and salary, and B dot bonus. Okay, now let's run this. I think we have sex. Let me check. Yeah. So this is what we are getting right now. We have joined these two tables on the common column, and we have now only information of those employees who has received bonus. Okay. So now we have this table where we have ID, employee title, sex, salary, and the bonus. Now what we are going to do, we are going to calculate for each employee what is the total bonus they have received, because their title is going to be same, sex is going to be same, salary is going to be same, but they might have received more than one bonus, so we have to sum those. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to do group by on ID. Okay, E dot ID, that ID is going to be similar, right? So on this, we are going to do what group by. So for this, for example, this here, for ID 1, it is coming twice. The title is same, that this person is a manager. Now, sex is also same. This person is female. This is the salary, and the first bonus is this, and second bonus is this. But for this employee, we want only one record where we have all these details and the total bonus. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do group by on the ID, because the ID is going to be same. Okay. And it should be unique. And I am going to do what? I'm going to sum the bonus. Let's name this as total bonus. Now let's run this. See, so we have the same records, and for this employee ID 1, now the bonus is coming as 9,500. And now for each employee, we have unique row where we have all these details with their total bonus. Now, next, what we need to do? Next, we need to find based on the employee title and gender. Okay, that is employee title and gender column. We have to find out average compensation. So, like now in this part, we do not need to rely on ID. Because different employee ID can have same title. For example, see, this title, this ID 30 and this ID 2, they both have same uh, title and they belong to same gender. Okay, so we have to find out for unique titles and unique gender what is the average total compensation, and it is going to be a combination of different IDs, different employee ID. It is going to be based on employee title and gender. We do not have to worry about ID. So okay, so now to solve this part, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write down with CT as I'm going to create one virtual table. Now let me write down select star from CT. Okay. Now what we are going to do, now what we have to do here is on based, I'm going to do a group by, and it is going to be on employee title and gender. So based on these two columns, what we need to do, we need to find employee title, sex, and the average compensation. Now the thing is, average compensation is the is like addition of salary and bonus. Okay, so average compensation is going to be addition of salary plus bonus. Okay, let's name this as average compensation. Okay, now let's run this. It is total bonus. Okay, so this is what we are getting. We can either do the calculation here, or we can define the column in this part only. But I have done the calculation here. You can just make this as a unique column and then take the reference. You can do that too, but this is also going to work fine. Okay, so now based on the unique title and the gender of employees, this is what we have the average compensation. For senior sales, we have this. For auditor, we have this, and so on. Okay, so this is what we needed to find, and we got our answer. So now let's see the expected output. So yeah, we are getting same results, right? We have the expected output. So yeah, we got our answer. Our query is correct. Now what we need to do, we need to submit our solution. So let's submit. And our solution got submitted. So this is correct. So I hope you understand this problem. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you have more solution to this, you can ask that too in the comment section. Hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.